Tired of your brilliant ideas and crucial tasks getting lost in the Basecamp shuffle? Let's unlock your to-do list data and set it free. First, log into your Basecamp account. You'll need to be an administrator or have the necessary permissions to access project settings. Navigate to the specific project whose to-do data you want to export. Once inside the project, look for the three dots menu, often labeled as More Options or Project Settings. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing several choices. From this menu, find the option to export project. Click on it. This will initiate the project export process. A new window will pop up presenting you with various export options. Since we're focusing on to-do data, select the Todos option. This ensures that only your to-do lists and associated details are included in the export. After selecting, the export process will begin. The speed depends on how much data is there, but it will usually be quick. Once the export is complete, a compressed zip file containing your to-do data will be downloaded to your computer. This file will usually contain the to-do information in a CSV or Excel format. Extract the contents of the zip file. Inside, you'll find a spreadsheet file containing all your exported to-do list data, ready for reporting, analysis, or migration to another platform. Now you are free to move on to other platforms or just analyze the information in your own way.